Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. So guys, let's continue into Spotify. And then you can now choose any playlist you are currently listening to. So I am select this playlist. And when you tap, the playlist will automatically shuffle. And to switch it off, or go to the first song and tap on it. And as you can see, the full song will now shuffle to the whole playlist. And if you switch it off, then tap on the crossing arrows at the bottom on the left side. And now it will play from the beginning to the end without shuffling the songs. So that's how you can turn off shuffles on Spotify. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.